Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to scan QR code on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to scan the QR code on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account, guys. From over here, guys, we will be scanning the QR code on Snapchat only to add friends. So guys, make sure you have your friends Snapchat QR code. So in order to do that, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the plus icon with a person. Tap on over there, and on this interface you will be able to scan the QR code from the button at the top right corner of the screen, just below the three dotted icon, the icon with the Snapchat on is, guys, at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and let's scan this, guys. And you can see, guys, the moment we scanned it, we are on the profile of that person. And with that being said, guys, this is how you scan a QR code on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.